What's up mga Solid Pops, your boy Nikon of Solid Moto, and of course meron tayong bagong motor ngayon. This is the 2021 Honda BeAT Fashion Sport in Lemon Ice Yellow. So mga Solid Pops, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel is huwag kayong mahiyang i-click ang pulang buto na yan. And of course, like and subscribe, rekta na yan, and share this video para naman makatulong kayo sa mga taong naghahanap ng kanilang first ever motorcycle. And today, we will be talking about this cute but powerful motorbike, or shall I say, scooter. So bago tayo mag-test drive ng unit na to is pag-uusapan muna natin ang 5 bagay na dapat nating tandaan o dapat nyong i-consider bago to bilhin. Number 1, presyo. Of course, alam na natin yan. Number 2, specifications. Ano ang mga dapat nating tandaan sa kanyang overall performance. Number 3 is yung kanyang features. Kung ano yung mga safety features kung meron ba. Pang-4 is yung color options. Of course, yung mga tao naman is medyo kino-consider ang design at colorway kung bibili tayo ng isang motor. And pangatlo, pang-5 pala. Oh my God. Ang tanda ko na. Pang-5 is kung beginner friendly ba to. Alright? So, before we go to the test drive, let's talk first about this motorcycle while it is here, not moving. Konting trivia muna tayo. Alam mo ba nang ibig sabihin ng BeAT ay B80? So, B, automatic. Yan yung logo. At ang ibig sabihin yan, mag-switch ka na sa automatic. Tulad ng compact, sportmatic, Honda BeAT. About the specific Honda BeAT model. Once again, kakasabi ko lang kanina, this is the Honda BeAT Fashion Sport and it is priced at 68,900. Very affordable, di ba? Now, if you can see yung kanyang face part, nandito yung kanyang parang wind visor. And of course, napakagandang covers na lemon icy yellow. At nandito yung kanyang turn signals. All are amber and halogen type na headlamp. So, as you can see, medyo aggressive yung kanyang mukha. So, kumbaga, this is a small but terrible motorbike. If you go to the wheels is a mag type, disc brake, and hydraulic brake master. Ito po ang kanyang wheel size, which is ngayon nakakabit is 1890 by 14. So, this is a 14-inch wheel. Going to this side, nandito yung kanyang air filter and of course yung kanyang CVT train with kickstarter pa pala to. And that is very convenient kasi kapag nasira yung electric mo, ito yung lifesaver mo. And the back, it's still mag, and the size of the wheel is 1990 by 14-inch. And brake type, cable type. Drum brakes. The back is single shock absorber. So, ito yung nagugustuhan ko sa Honda kasi covered yung buong shock at hindi basta-basta na nakakapasok yung dumi dito tulad sa iba na madaling masira kasi bare lang yung cover ng kanilang shock. And as you can see here, nandito yung susi kasi old school pa siya. So, andito yung para bukas sa U-box, wala ah, pa sa ignition. Yeah. Napunta tayo sa likod. Of course, grab bar to, and brake lights, still halogen lamp, amber lights. So, yun, very basic but very functional as well. So on this side, nandito yung muffler, yung kanyang heat guard, and yung kanyang air intake for its cooling mechanism. Alright, ito din yung foot peg para sa pillion rider. And that's basically it. Yes. Simple but adorable. Ito naman sa kanyang cockpit. And makikita natin is the basic of everything. So, in short, alam nyo na siguro ang verdict kung ito ba ay beginner friendly or not. So, ito yung kanyang high and low switch, horn, signal light indicator. So, ito yung pinagkaiba ng Honda sa kay Yamaha. So, kay Yamaha dito yung kanyang turn indicator at dito yung horn. At yung kay Honda is andito. And that is the uniqueness of this motorbike. So, kung Honda lover ka, alam mo na ang difference. And the speedometer, so the speedometer naman, it's a combination of digital. So, dito yung fuel gauge, tsaka yung kanyang odometer, at ito yung speedometer. Eco mode, at nandito yung check engine light. Now, on the left part, walang masyadong ganap, just the electric starter. So, wala yung idling stop kasi nasa premium version siya ng may side pockets. So, ito yung isa. So, di siya ganun kalalim actually. Mga kasya siguro yung 6 inches na telepono mo at isang maliit na water tumbler. Ito yung cargo hook at meron pang isang pocket na hindi masyadong malalim. Siguro dito yung mga barya at yung kanyang ignition. So, isa lang yung parang hindi ko talaga na gustuhan kasi wala dito yung para bukas sa upuan. So, siguro in the future, gagawa nila ito ng update sa mga future models ng BeAT at nandito na yung para bukas na upuan para mas convenient, diba? Na seat. So, wala akong masabi dito. And this is very comfortable kasi makapal yung foam. Hindi masakit kay wet packs. Maganda. Now, let's check what's under the seat. So, if you can check here, ito yung kanyang U-box. Very utilitarian. So, hindi naman siya ganun kalaki, hindi rin siya ganun kaliit. And you can put here yung kapote, yung mga documents, and siguro maliit na lunchbox. Definitely hindi kakasya yung helmet dito. But then, nilagay ko yung DSLR camera bag ko here, and also yung microphone bag ko, and kasya naman, hindi naman siya pilit. And andito yung kanyang 4-liter gasoline tank. Alright. Feature pala ng motor na to is nandito yung kanyang battery at wala sa ilalim nito. So, andito yung kanyang battery. So, baka mag-worry kayo, baka pag bumaha papasukin. Ito po ay sealed. Okay? Sealed po siya. And this is also protected by that higher appearance na plastic. So, yun, safe na safe.
Now